The new Roughneck Colt folding steel sawhorse really is a superb, well thought out bit of kit available exclusively on Real Deals for You at a special introductory price. It has a 589 kg single load capacity, which increases to an impressive 1,178 kg when paired. The legs are independently adjustable from 618mm to 820mm, with swivelling feet to give stability on uneven ground and non-marking pads on the bottom to protect the surface it stands on. Roughneck considered how sawhorses are used and what features would make tasks quicker and easier, so this comes with pipe support guides for easy cutting of 15 and 22mm pipes and dowels, and extendable timber supports to create a stable work table. This, when combined with an anti-slip surface to the top and support arms for upright cutting, makes a truly well put together Roughneck sawhorse available exclusively from your local Real Deals for You store.